Thought I'd do an update on the 67. Got the bed on today, got it on last weekend, and just got it cleaned up today. Bed hasn't been buffed. The inside of it has, but the outside of it hasn't. Gotta get the trim down the sides, but I'm gonna do that after I get the bed buffed out on the outside. I've got the brake lights in it. Haven't got the backup lights. I gotta find the 2 screws that go in there because I don't know what's happened to them. There's the wood. Went with I think it's called a mahogany stain, and I thought it turned out pretty good. When it's in the shade, it darkens up. But driver's side. But anyways, just an update on it, and that's about it. I'll make another update probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks on it. Maybe have the trim and everything, and that's about it. But thanks for watching.